Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to unbox my new laptop I just bought today. Finally guys, I bought my own laptop from the salary of my YouTube channel. The long wait. Finally I got my salary and then I bought a laptop. So now guys, I got the new laptop from Dell company, Dell Outlet company. This is the good model guys. This is the good models that good for YouTuber, best for editing.
Talkback is from factory outlet. Show to me. Okay, stop. Stop.
Guys, I bought this in the Dell Outlet factory.
Dell factory outlet.
Guys, I bought this in the Dell factory outlet. So I get this quite cheaper. In Malaysia, it's about Malaysian ringgit is about 2,700 ringgit. But if you will go to the other shop, this is 2,900. In Philippines, I only bought this about 33,000 pesos. Now let's unbox, guys. I choose this color guys, black. Black is beautiful. It's not so black, it's light only. This is a 15.6 inch Dell i5 core. It's about 8 GB and then 512 storage, so I can edit even how many videos. For YouTubers like me, I can recommend this. I recommended this guys, good for editing. And then even how many videos you got, it's enough storage. And then the size is 15.5, good for editing, and then you can watch video. It's quite big enough for me already. And of course guys, if you will buy a laptop, you can ask for a free gifts. Now I got a free gifts. This is a Logitech. It's not a cheap one mouse. That's expensive one guys. Of course guys, I will not ask for a cheap one. I will always go for a branded one. I buy a new laptop. This is the best in market guys. Because it's a promotion, it's only about 2,700 ringgit. In Philippines, about 33,000 pesos. And then guys, got also about giveaway. If you buy a laptop, of course you can ask for a giveaway guys. So this is my giveaway. Nice bags for laptop.